Hello fam, another very interesting episode here. As always, we give you the best tips and tricks to help you manage your farm and do things the right way. So today we are still on roses and we are going to demonstrate to you how to do harvesting in roses. We hope you'll enjoy this video, but before we continue, I'd encourage you to subscribe to our channel, as 80% of our viewers are not subscribed to our channel according to our statistics, and would like for this to change, so please do so. Let's dive right into our video. When it comes to harvesting roses, the rule of thumb is the longer the stem, the better, but because this has a very impact on the vase life of a flower, the time it will take to be no longer usable and it has to be thrown away. So when harvesting roses, when you harvest with the longer stem, it is better than when you harvest with a very shorter stem. Harvesting requires a secateur so that you make a clean cut and you don't injure the remaining crop, so that it gets to produce another shoot. So let's demonstrate how to harvest roses. When you select a stem to harvest, you make sure that you leave two nodes from where you cut. So in this case we have one node here and another node here. So we'll cut here. See, this is so that these two nodes will give rise to a new plant. Upon harvesting, you place your plant in a bucket of water immediately. This is to reduce any form of post-harvest shock, because you detach the plant from the mother plant. From here you'll take your flower into the cold room to pre-cool it and remove the greenhouse temperature, but this will be a topic for another day. I hope this has been an insightful video to you, because you now know how to harvest roses the correct way. If you found this video helpful, I'd really encourage you to subscribe to our channel, leave a like, share and comment. It will give us the energy to keep on producing content like this. But until there, I thank you for your time and I'll see you on the next video.